Move all emails from one sender to a folder in Outlook. Need to move all emails from one sender into a specific folder in Outlook. You may also want future messages from that sender to be organized automatically. Here are two practical methods, Outlook's built-in rule and a faster Kutools method for existing emails. Method 1. Use Outlook's Always Move Messages From feature. Open the Outlook folder containing an email from the sender you want to organize. Select one message from that sender. On the Home tab, click Rules, and then choose Always Move Messages From followed by the sender's name. In the Rules and Alerts dialog box, select the folder where you want the messages to be stored. To create a folder, click New. Enter a folder name, choose where to place it, and then click OK. Select the new or existing destination folder, and then click OK again. Outlook immediately moves the existing messages from that sender into the selected folder. It also creates a rule that automatically moves future emails from the same sender into that folder. This method is ideal when you want both existing and future messages organized automatically. However, it creates an ongoing rule, so it may not be suitable for a one-time move. To move only the existing messages without creating a rule, use Kutools for Outlook. Method 2. Use Kutools for Outlook's emails from the sender feature. First, download and install Kutools for Outlook, and then open Outlook. Open the folder containing the emails you want to move. Select any message from the sender. Go to Kutools Plus. Click by sender. And choose emails from the sender. Kutools instantly filters the messages from that sender without requiring you to type a search query. Review the results to make sure the correct sender's emails are displayed. Click one result, and then press Ctrl+A to select all matching messages. Right-click the selected messages, choose Move, and then click Other folder. Select the destination folder, or click New to create one. Click OK to move the selected messages. All existing emails from that sender are now grouped in the chosen folder. Because this method does not create a rule, future messages will remain unchanged unless you set up one separately. Kutools saves time by finding the sender's messages instantly and letting you move them without building a manual search. Use Outlook's rule when you want automatic organization for both existing and future emails. Use Kutools when you want to find and move existing emails from the same sender quickly.